Hi, this is Larry J. Feldman, owner of Career Changers USA. On a recent podcast of my show Lethal Sales, we discussed how do you define success. And we had a lot of really smart, nice people on it. You can imagine what came out of it. I got a lot of family. I got a lot of building a business. I had a few people that just flat out said it was money. But I think one of the keys to anything, particularly success, is defining it. What is it that you're trying to achieve? How are you trying to achieve it? Is the journey more important than the destination? I mean, if you've spent a tremendous amount of time making wealth, developing wealth, but you've neglected your family and your health, was that cost worth it? Think about what your thought patterns were, what your opinions were 5 years ago. I'm reasonably sure that they might be a little different now. Well, it's the same thing. What we might think is success, we might not view as success at a different point. We might not view it as success when we hit it. If your whole goal is to make $1 million, okay, you worked hard, you got lucky, you put some things to, now you have $1 million. Now what? Is the satisfaction to get to 2 million? Is the satisfaction to do charitable work? The point is, if we understand what we're trying to achieve, we have a better shot of achieving it. You know, I always use a silly analogy because I'm a dog lover. I say if you point and you have a dog, your dog never looks where you're pointing, he looks at your finger. Because they don't quite see down the road. With success, we need to understand what we're trying to accomplish, how we're going to accomplish it, what are the unintended consequences once we do it. Because we know, right, everything has an equal and opposite reaction, to quote Newton. If we understand what we're trying to do, if we can really, as closely as we can, identify what success is, I think we have a better chance of achieving it. So, like with everything else in our lives, let's think about what we're doing. Wouldn't be a bad idea to write down what your goals are and what your purpose is. And let's constantly measure and check out where we are and what we do. Because what you thought was success then might not feel like success now. And what you didn't think was success then might feel fabulous now. We change, we grow. Think about what success means to you. Think about what you have to do to accomplish it. And I'm pretty sure that if there's some thought and some effort, you'd be surprised at what you can accomplish. I'm Larry J. Feldman. Thank you for listening to my Larry Talk.